Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video, let's just say Sunday afternoon, for example, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So really, and this assumes that you've watched the past videos, nothing new to report. It's still kind of same old, which has essentially been the same over the past couple weeks. And that is just from the 4-hour time frame, this sideways channel pattern. The price just continues to bounce back and forth, Now, the one thing that I will say has been a positive since the last update I did was last time I was doing the update, the price was more so near the bottom portion of the channel, which meant, there was a real chance that maybe some sort of bearish breakdown was going to come. But now, as at least of the time of this recording, the price has at least bounced up here a little bit. That doesn't mean it still can't break down, but at least from that angle of things, the price has worked its way more so back up to the middle of the channel. But that is to bring about the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So we'll just use that Sunday afternoon example. So let's say you're watching this Sunday afternoon. Question number one, nothing fancy, just simply, where's the price at relative to 9,000? Now, as long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,000, then overall, nothing has really changed. That would imply that the price is still, within the channel, and that's what you want to see. Now, on the flip side of things, you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually down below 9,000. At that point, some gut instincts, common sense comes into play, meaning, well, how far down below 9,000? And the easiest way to look at that is the further down below the price may be below 9,000, the more bearish the weekend has become. So nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Quite simply, just, well, the lower down below 9,000, the more bearish everything has, turned out to be. Now, on the flip side of things, you're saying, well, no, Clay, the price not only is up above 9,000, but the price has also worked its way all the way up to that point. Well, if the price is all of a sudden up above 93, that 60 mark up there represented by the red line, that would just be a sign that the bulls have shown up in a very, very big way. And that would be, considered a very bullish chart at that point in time. But if anything is, true, if past history keeps up, then you're probably just going to be answering the question, well, Clay, the price is still down below 93.60, but it is still up above 9,000. So at that point, one word could summarize that price move, and that's just consolidation, right? The price is just continue to consolidate within that range, and not much else can be said. So overall, those are going to be the two main technical levels to take an inventory check on. Again, 9,000 level of support, 93.60 level, main level of resistance. So let's see how it plays out on the weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.